Welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Hi YouTube, I'm here to share with you guys a bee theme kit that I purchased from Ida, who is Created to Create here on YouTube. I will leave a link below to her YouTube channel so you guys can check her out. She is so talented. You guys need to check out her channel and subscribe because you won't be disappointed. So I wanted to come on and share this beautiful bee theme kit with all of you guys. If you are a bee lover like myself, you are going to love this beautiful kit. So let's get started. I wanted to share with you how pretty the inside looks here. And on front was this really cute tag that says sweet as honey. And if you move this here, I love this dot. And then this cute bee. And then another bee down here. So this is so cute. And this can be added to a project. Already ready to go and so cute. So she had two kits. She had a traditional yellow and black and the pink and black. And I wanted to get the pink and black because I already have so many yellow and black theme, bee theme items. So I wanted to go with the pink and black. So she included these really pretty wax seals with the bees on them. I have two of these actually. So look how cute these are. So cute. And then I have some beautiful rosettes. These are gorgeous. And look at that on the side, all of that glitter. So pretty. And then I have some of these beads in the yellow and black. So she looks like she did like a mixture of pink and black and yellow and black. So that's good. And then I have this cute little honey spoon. I don't know what you call it, little honeycomb container here with beads, yellow and black in them. Super cute. And then I have some of these beautiful charms. Look at that. Let me take this. Well, I don't want to take it out, you guys. I want to keep everything neat in here until I'm actually ready to use everything. So you can still see it through the packaging. You can also go over to her channel. I'm going to leave a link to that video so you can see things a little bit closer up. Now, she included some of this black eyelash trim and some of this pink and gold eyelash trim. She also included some bows. These are super cute. Look how cute that is. So beautiful, Ida. I love her work. And then I also have some of these buttons. These are so cute. Oh my goodness, these are cute. And then some black rosettes, crepe paper rosettes. And I love these. Oh my God, these are so pretty. These pink and black bees. She has some bigger size ones and some smaller ones. These are beautiful. Love those. And then this is beautiful. Look at this, you guys. This beautiful embellishment. Can't you just see this on the front of a card or even a box? So pretty. Love that. And then this cute little title here, bee. Love that. And then look at these beautiful flowers and the pink and gold. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then this cute little embellishment that can be added onto a project, sweet as honey. This is such a beautiful kit. And then this pretty embellishments here. She have the little flowers down here and I can just add them on as I like. The little beehive and the bee. And then some more cut aparts here that can be used on projects. Hello, honey. And then this beautiful embellishment. I love this. This is so pretty. Gorgeous. And then some more goodies in here. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Gorgeous. And then some goodies here of these cute bees. These are pretty. I didn't see these at Hobby Lobby. That's pretty. And then these pretty napkins. Pretty. I love this one. She also included, look at this, stencil. Wow, that is beautiful. Beautiful, Ida. Thank you so much. So that is my beautiful kit share, Bee Theme Kit Share. Make sure you guys check out Ida's video and check out her YouTube channel. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion. Bye.